Hey guys, I just got my very first Beauty Box 5 in the mail and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Open it up. I'm assuming this is the card that tells you everything you got. Pretty cool. Some sort of coupon code. The Fresh wipes. Cool, the antibacterial wipes. That's awesome. Nail polish remover wipes. That's cool. Yeah, let's see what else I have in here. H2O plus hydrating treatment. Oil-free marine hydration. Deeply hydrates, visibly plumps fine lawns. Face oasis. Sounds good to me. And, ooh, this will come in handy. Especially this time of year. Foot smoother. All in one. Coarse fine dermabrasion coating removes rough, dry, cracked skin. Coarse texture on one side, fine on the other. From Ever Beauty. And last but definitely not least, Be a Bombshell lip gloss in diamond. Let's see. Let me open this bad boy. I guess it's just the clear gloss. I kind of wanted to try out some of the color, but maybe this is a good thing because I can wear this over some of the lipsticks that are kind of a really good color, but when I'm not in the mood for matte and I want it to be glossy. So that's awesome. So I got, that's a full size item. And that's a full-size item. And then these are sample sized. Well, I'm assuming that's a full size, but it's, you know, a small full size. So 2, 3, 4, 5 different products. Pretty good for first box. Alright. If you get Beauty Box 5 and you have any comments or you want to tell me what you got this month, feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks. Bye.